Today I'll show you how to change the front brake pads and rotors on a 2018 Nissan Maxima. This job is fairly straightforward and can be done with basic tools in about 1 hour. Always make sure the car is on a flat surface, the parking brake is engaged, and you use jack stands for safety. Step 1. Remove the wheel. First, loosen the lug nuts with a 21mm socket while the car is still on the ground. Next, jack up the vehicle and place it securely on jack stands. Remove the lug nuts completely and take the wheel off. Step 2. Remove the brake caliper. Now locate the 2 caliper bolts on the back of the caliper. Using a 14mm socket, remove these bolts. Carefully slide the brake caliper off the rotor. Do not let the caliper hang by the brake hose. Use a hook or wire to support it. Step 3. Remove old brake pads. First, take out the brake pins. Take out the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Also remove the metal clips or shims if you are replacing them. Step 4. Remove the caliper bracket. To remove the rotor, you first need to remove the caliper bracket. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 2 large bolts behind the bracket. Once removed, slide the bracket off. Step 5. Remove the rotor. Now pull the brake rotor straight off the hub. If the rotor is stuck, lightly tap it with a rubber mallet until it comes loose. Clean the hub surface before installing the new rotor. Also, you need to clean the bracket area where the bracket sits with brake cleaner and wire brush. Step 6. Install the new rotor. Now first clean the rotor surface with brake cleaner. Then apply anti-seize lubricant on the hub. Place the new rotor onto the hub. You can temporarily thread a lug nut on to hold the rotor in place while working. Step 7. Compress the brake piston. Before installing the new pads, the caliper piston must be compressed. Use a C-clamp or piston tool and slowly push the piston back into the caliper. This creates space for the new, thicker brake pads. Step 8. Reinstall caliper bracket. Put the caliper bracket back in place. Tighten the two 19mm bolts securely. For best results, torque them to factory specification. Step 9. Install new brake pads. Install the new clips and brake pads into the bracket. Apply brake grease on the contact points, but do not get grease on the pad surface. On the front brake caliper of the Nissan Maxima, there are two slide pins, guide pins, and they are not identical. This is normal. The difference: upper pin, smooth pin. Standard straight guide pin allows the caliper to slide freely. Lower pin, dampen pin, rubber sleeve pin. Has a rubber bushing or rubber sleeve near the end. Designed to reduce vibration and brake noise. Step 10. Reinstall caliper. Slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall the two 14mm caliper bolts and tighten them securely. Step 11. Install the wheel. Put the wheel back on and tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car back to the ground. Finally, torque the lug nuts evenly in a star pattern. Final step. Pump the brake pedal. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times. This pushes the piston back against the new pads and restores normal brake pressure. And that's how you replace the front brakes on a 2018 Nissan Maxima. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more car repair tutorials.